Hello everyone, welcome to the car logo sound quiz. Listen to the sound, guess the car logo, and see how many you can get right. Can you recognize this first car logo sound? Which car logo sounds like this? Yes, that is BMW. On to the next one. Which logo has this powerful engine sound? You got it. It is Ferrari. Here comes another logo sound. Which luxury car brand matches this tone? That is Bentley. Listen carefully to this sound. Which reliable car logo do you hear? Yes, that is Honda. Get ready for the next sound. Which car brand logo sounds like this? That is Nissan. Moving on to the next one. Which classic car logo has this sound? Yes, that is Ford. Pay close attention to this one. Which premium car logo sounds like this? That is Maserati. Here comes a modern sound. Which electric car logo do you hear? Yes, that is Tesla. Listen closely to this logo sound. Which safety-focused car brand is this? That is Volvo. On to another sound. Which sleek car logo sounds like this? Yes, that is Jaguar. Here is the next challenge. Which car logo could this be? That is Toyota. Get ready for another sound. Which car brand logo matches this audio? Yes, that is Subaru. Now listen to this sporty sound. Which high-performance car logo is this? That is Porsche. Almost there. Keep listening. Which iconic car logo sounds like this? Yes, that is Chevrolet. Here comes another logo sound. Which car brand do you recognize here?
Drive your ambition. Mitsubishi Motors.
That is Mitsubishi.
Mitsubishi Motors. Drive your ambition. Mitsubishi Motors.
Last one, listen carefully. Which adventure car logo sounds like this?
Above and beyond. Above.
Yes, that is Land Rover.
Above and beyond.
Great job. How many car logos did you guess correctly? Comment your score, like the video, and subscribe for more fun logo sound quizzes.